I am the founder of Rodila Plus, a cleaning services company established in 2006. We provide both industrial and office cleaning, comprehensive cleaning services. For quite some time now, we have opted for all services that can be mechanized and industrialized. Then, we discovered Tegras technology, and the truth is we had no doubts about acquiring it and using it in our services. One of the biggest challenges in hood cleaning was mainly the final service we could provide and guarantee to the client, but also the safety of our staff. We have reduced working times. We have improved the final service and also reduced expenses related to product application. I believe the end client really notices the difference with the technology now applied to hood cleaning because we can access the inside of the extraction duct and the hood much more effectively. It is also less disruptive for them during the service. We do it faster, it's less bothersome, and the final service is much better. There was even a client who didn't know that the hood in their kitchen was originally stainless steel. After our cleaning, they were able to see the original color of the hood,